I'm a home and auto insurance broker. I've been an insurance agent for 10 years, franchise owner of Goosehead Insurance the last 2 years. I live in Concord with my wife, Ashley, and our 2 children. This is my son, Jack. He's in kindergarten, he's 5. And my daughter, Lily. Whoa, that coloring is great, isn't it? We're not aliens, I promise. So that was before the daddy-daughter dance last weekend. So Lily, she's 3. And here we are as a family in Boise, Idaho. Did I say that right, Jeff? Yes. Boise, Idaho, thank you. That was back in November around Thanksgiving. So who wants to play a game today? Who's excited to play a game? Yeah, woo, all right, cool. The game is called What Does It Meme? So you're going to see, hopefully, the first time you've ever seen a presentation using only memes, okay? Pretty cool, pretty revolutionary. And Joanne's going to help me out because the prizes are going to be, in honor of Valentine's Day, are going to be roses. So, but here's the rules. I will show you an insurance meme. Okay, rule number 1. Rule number 2, I will then ask you a question about it, and the first person to shout out the correct answer wins. A couple disclaimers. Some of the memes may be inappropriate or offensive. Just laugh, it's okay. That's how memes work. Second disclaimer, Joanne Barrios does insurance, right? So she can only answer 1. She's not allowed to answer, yeah. Okay, that's perfect. That's perfect. Otherwise she'd win them all, and then my wife would wonder why I gave another woman a dozen roses. And third disclaimer, I can change the rules at any time because it's my presentation. Okay, so let's do a sample for the first one so you guys can get the hang of it. So here we are. We have, what's your age? We girls don't reveal our age to boys. Oh, what's your email address? Rach@1998@gmail.com. So the question is age a rating factor? Kind of a trick question. On some insurance it is, on auto insurance it's actually not. It's years of driving experience. So if you're 40 years old and you get your license for the first time, you're going to be rated as a brand new driver. Your age doesn't factor into that. Okay, so nobody gets that because I tricked you all. Okay, cool. Next one. What's the difference between a UFO and a bad driver? It sounds like a bad joke. What's going on here? Is that a UFO? Wait, oh, there you go. Good job. Give him a rose. All right, so we got someone drove their car into a lake or body of water. Is that covered by comp or collision?
Comp. Collision.
Collision, okay. You drove your car. If you drove your car into something, that's usually going to be collision. All right, ladies, always wear a seatbelt. So, all right, so if you're injured in an accident, who should you call? Yeah, 911. Teresa's even a better answer. Yes, if you are injured, you absolutely should call Teresa because she'll help you with that. I'm glad nobody said Ghostbusters because that was not the right answer. So I don't know who said Teresa. Who got a rose? Okay, cool. All right. All right. So we have a prospect is looking at this really great-looking auto insurance quote, and in steps the MVR to stop him. So what's an MVR?
Motor vehicle report.
Sorry, she was a little quicker than you. You were working on it, but Rebecca got it back there. Motor vehicle report. So here's the deal. Anytime I sell an auto insurance policy, I have to run a motor vehicle report to see what your driving activity is. So a lot of times people think like, oh, I just won't tell my insurance company what's going on. I'm going to find out one way or the other, and it's going to change your rate. So it's better to let me know beforehand, not after. Okay, weather alert. If you only have liability insurance, please stay off the roads. This is a full coverage sort of day. So what is full coverage? What does full coverage mean?
Everything. The most coverage you could possibly buy.
It's like another trick question. I love it. Full coverage means nothing really. It means there's 2 components to your insurance policy. There's liability, and then there's coverage for your actual vehicle. It doesn't tell me anything about whether your liability limits are good or bad, or your deductibles are high or low. So if you say full coverage, I'll roll my eyes and then explain what that means to you. Just saved a ton of money on my car insurance by switching to reverse and leaving the scene. Anybody know how much your rates are going to go up after an accident?
20%. It depends on the cost the repairs.
That is true. I'm going to look for an actual number this time, though, because I will get it exactly. 20%? Anybody else?
20%. 30.
Who said 30? 30. All right, 30%. Just happened. Yes. So the first accident, two things is going to happen if it's an at-fault accident. Number one is you're going to lose a discount. It's worth about 15%, and you're going to get hit with a surcharge, which is also about 15%. So 30% is usually what it is, but Ronnie is also right. It really depends on how many accidents you've had and who's injured in the accident and all that too. All right, so just to clarify, we have a water heater and a hot water heater. Ben said it. Yes, 2. You need two straps, earthquake straps on your water heater.
Yes.
Oh. Sorry, how many straps should your water heater have? 2. So it's required for insurance and for a lot of other things too. You have to have 2 straps on your water heater. Yes. That's a nice truck. It'd be a shame if I ran into it.
Depends on if the car is moving.
Comp. Yes, it's comprehensive. All right, animals. If you hit an animal, it's actually seen as the animal hitting you, so it's considered comprehensive. Comp, Denise. Usually, yes. Next up on the poll, it's Sierra. All right. Yes, the GMC Sierra ran over a stop sign. Whoever said collision first. Okay, cool. Dad, does Lightning McQueen have car insurance or life insurance? Whoa, yeah, blew my mind too. Yes, the answer is both. And if you need life insurance, please talk to Lillian Cordes. She can help you with that. Car insurance, I can help you with it. Okay, cool. We got this nice looking vehicle with these cool exhaust pipes.
If disclosed in the rider is attached.
Yes, okay. What Karen said. Basically, usually not. It's not automatically covered. You have to endorse it or add it and disclose it, as Karen mentioned. So, how many rows do we have left? One more? One more. I don't know how many I have left.
Yellow. Thank you.
Let's see.
One more.
Okay. I'm sorry. The inspector saw an animal breed. Okay, you guys already got to it. Do insurance companies exclude certain breeds? Yes, they do. Who said yes first? Okay. You can steal it from Miley later. So, how much time do I have? 8 seconds. Okay, moving on. This is not really a Rose one. This is just one I thought was fun. But I love families with young drivers because their rates are really expensive. I can help them save the most money, and I get paid more too. So